Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope you're all doing really well. We've got this 2019 Midnight Black Metallic Mini Countryman. It's a 2-litre Cooper S Sport. It's currently at 34,796 miles and it's a petrol manual. Absolutely lovely motor. Perfect family, compact family SUV. It's got the 18-inch John Cooper Works frill spoke alloy wheels in really good condition all the way around. It's got the electronic adjustable door mirrors. There's the second alloy. It's got the halogen headlights with automatic activation and the chrome highlights all the way around through the car. Gloss black mirror caps matching the midnight black metallic exterior. There's the third alloy, and the last alloy has the privacy glass at the rear side window and at the tailgate with the silver roof rails. Rear parking sensors as well. Overall, really lovely car. Just show you inside the vehicle. It's got the electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable door mirrors, storage compartment, carbon black Dominica cloth, John Cooper Works sport seats. It's got automatic activation headlights. It's got John Cooper Works multifunction steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with a speed limiter. It's got the automatic wiper and the headlight wiper there. I'll just show you the mileage. It's got 34,796 miles on the clock. With the center console, it's got the LED ambient lighting ring with features such as the Mini Connect, which is standard, and it has My Mini, which is all different configurations regarding interior and exterior light, ambient lighting, which control all different intelligent safety settings, front end collision warning, speed warning. And I'll just show you the service history as well for it. So front brakes, rear brakes, and the engine oil, brake fluid, vehicle check is all good to go. It's got a PDI inspection at 1 mile and another service at 16,682 miles. So really good service. At the bottom here, it's got the climate control, keyless push to start, stop and start function, traction control off. It's got 2 cup holders, USB and 12-volt plug socket, menu selector, electronic parking brake, 2 keys, a lovely storage compartment as well. But overall, really lovely car. I'll just show you the back. At the back, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, storage compartment, ice-cool preparation seats, plenty of space considering it is a Mini. There's storage pockets here on the left and on the right, plenty of leg space in the footwells. But overall, really lovely car. I will just show you the boot so you can have a really good look. It's got the rubber inlay mats as well, so they're easy to clean. But overall, really lovely family SUV. Plenty of space as well in the boot and in the front. There you go, there's a final look at the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.